God cried out from silent ground. The stone remembered every sound. 70 voices silenced in vain, but justice lives, God knows each name. They crowned a king not sent by him, built up their pride on crumbling sin. But thrones of dust will always fall when heaven writes the final call. You were not blind, you were not still. You saw the fire, you watched the hill. And when the wicked raised their blade, you waited, and then you repaid. God repaid every lie, every scar. He remembers who they are. No evil act escapes his sight. He makes the wrong return to right. God repaid, not by man, not by sword, but by the justice of the Lord. Let every nation now take heed. He will repay each hidden deed. The Shechemites betrayed the just. Their gold was bought with broken trust. But even kings must bow and fall to God who judges over all. He used the least to bring down pride, the nameless hands that turn the tide. And in the silence truth was sung, for God had seen what they had done. So let the proud take heed and tremble. Let the humble hearts assemble. The God who waits is not asleep. He sows what